How to create a post on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, you'll find this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap onto that plus icon. Now once you tap onto it, it will lead you to your gallery. Now from here, go ahead and select your images. Now if you would like to upload more than one photos, you'll find another button beside the camera icon. Tap onto that. And just like so, you'll then be able to select multiple images. Now once you're done, simply tap on next option at the top right corner. And once you do that, in this page, go ahead and select any music that you would like. You can also simply tap on browse and then search for a song that you would like to post on Instagram along with your images. Now once you choose that, simply tap on next again. Now in this page, according to your liking, simply go ahead and type in the caption. You can also go ahead and choose whom to tag, and then you can change your audience. You can also go ahead and add the location, and once you are done, simply tap on share. And as you can see that I have posted on Instagram. Well, that is how you can easily create a post on Instagram as you like. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.